Welcome back to the Hungarian Garden. Today we're diving into a charming and resilient succulent known as Jenny's Stonecrop. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this plant is a great addition to any collection. Let's explore how to care for it. Jenny's Stonecrop, scientifically known as Sedum Rupestre, is a hardy perennial, originating from the mountainous regions of Europe. This versatile plant blooms with star-shaped yellow flowers, typically in early summer. It's well loved for its dense, needle-like foliage that ranges from green to blue-green, adding a pop of color to your garden all year round. Plant care. Caring for Jenny's Stonecrop is straightforward, making it ideal for both novice and experienced gardeners. Its low-maintenance nature and ability to thrive in a variety of conditions make it a popular choice. Growing conditions. Jenny's Stonecrop prefers full sun but can tolerate partial shade, especially in hotter climates. It's drought-tolerant and thrives in well-draining soil, making it perfect for rock gardens, containers, and even rooftop gardens. This plant is suited for USDA hardiness zones 3 to 9, so it can withstand cold winters and hot summers. Watering advice. One of the best things about Jenny's Stonecrop is its minimal watering needs. Once established, it requires little water and is quite drought-resistant. Water it deeply but infrequently, allowing the soil to dry out in between watering sessions. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so it's better to err on the side of caution. Pests and diseases. Jenny's Stonecrop is relatively pest-free, but can occasionally attract aphids. These can be easily managed with a strong water spray or an insecticidal soap. It's also resistant to most diseases, but ensure good air circulation to prevent any fungal issues. Warnings. Before you bring Jenny's Stonecrop home, it's important to know that, like many succulents, it can spread rapidly under ideal conditions. If not controlled, it might overtake other plants in your garden. Regular pruning can help keep it in check. Remember to consult local gardening resources or experts for specific care instructions tailored to your region. Now for the fun fact. Jenny's Stonecrop was first documented by the Swedish botanist Carl Linnaeus in 1753 during his extensive botanical explorations in Europe. It was named for its remarkable ability to thrive in rocky, less fertile soils, a characteristic Linnaeus found particularly intriguing. And that's it for today's episode. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and plant care advice from the Hungarian Garden. Thanks for watching, and until next time, viszontlátásra!